So we have a question from Meme Force One on YouTube, and this person says, "Bro, how does Richard do this so fast? I've been practicing, but I can't get results as quickly, and it was on one of your alignment demonstration videos."
All right. Well, I have been running energy with quantum touch techniques for 45 years. Every single day for 45 years. So it's beyond second nature for me to move awareness through my body. It's constantly happening. By the way, I'm certain that it slows the aging process. And I was born in 1948, and you can do the math. So the point is that when you learn to move the energy and you're very confident in that energy, and you learn how to project it from the heart chakra that the level 2 quantum touch does, and you've had a dozen or more experiences of aligning the person's sphenoid bone and seeing that it works, you're going to find out that it didn't take you 30 seconds to do it. It probably didn't even take you 5 seconds to do it. Once you've made the deep connection within yourself and your heart chakra, and you know where the sphenoid is, and you're really comfortable with it, you'll probably do it in 2 or 3, 4 seconds. Just like I'm doing it. But I do have a little trick at the Becoming More workshop where I show you how to do it in 1 second. But I didn't want to show off because it doesn't look real. And I just wave my finger and I say boing. But I didn't want to demonstrate that because it just lacks credibility. It looks too stupid. But it's an actually real technique that I found, and I teach it at the Becoming More workshop.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And thank you to Meme Force One for your question on YouTube.